remember that one I was doing the other day. Going on amber, running on green, cruising Main Street in this mean machine. Got my main squeeze snuggled up by my side, and, well, what can I tell you? Factory whistle, we're hearing it blow. End of the workday, it's the weekend. Time to play. They roll out of the factory gates. Time to do a little fishing on a Friday night. Come Saturday morning, time to plant the crops, milk the cows, build them bridges. Yeah, then next thing you know, it'll be sundown. Sometimes it's a struggle, and sometimes it's not, and sometimes it's a B, and sometimes it's an A, and other times it's just E. Well, it dawned on me as I got up on Sunday morning and went to, it's a struggle. Sunday come to meeting, and I thought I was finger picking, but I was just picking my nose. So I got down on my knees and I thinking about Saturday night. So I started praying for crop failure. I mean, there's enough young'uns running around this town already. Going on amber, running on green. John Deere tractors, they're a mean machine. Oh, you got convertibles, and you got drag racers, and you got hot rods, and that's what usually gets you in trouble. Then the weekend ends, and it's back to the factory. No more going on green and running on amber. It's the assembly line, building them Pontiacs and those Oldsmobiles. What else were we building back then? I don't know. Yeah, oh, that's a sour note. I don't know. How do you end the song? Gotta get in the groove once in a while and see where it's going. 5 days to go till the next weekend.